Welcome back to Brain Tech with a new video. In this video you can get to know how to give a great look to your desktop without using any software. If you need it to be customized as in the video, watch until the end. There will be a cool customized cursor given by Windows. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Follow it as in the video. If it is hard, just check the black bars below the video.
Premiumbeat.com.
I am downloading a wallpaper, if not a theme, from Microsoft Store. You all can get it from Microsoft Store or from Google. Okay, now I downloaded a theme. Now let's apply it.